Hey guys, so unboxing from a brand that I've never ordered before, maybe never again. We'll see. I opened it up. I haven't opened it yet. It's shipped from Costa Rica. It's got this big international shipping envelope. It's got Costa Rica stamped all over it. It had a front piece of paper as well, and it's labeled as underwear. So it's not entirely discreet shipping, if that's a concern to you. It's not ideal. I don't like necessarily knowing other people knowing my business, but it is what it is. So let's open it up. And I have no experience with this brand. It's like an Instagram brand that I saw. No particular plastic bag wrappings. So, what's the brand? The brand is this K-A-V. Designed and made in San Jose, Costa Rica. Create your own world. Kavwear.com. So I got this gray thong. I can tell right away that the material, it's very thick. It's double layered. A bit different than what I expected as far as I was kind of thinking it's going to be real paper thin, but a bit surprised that it is not paper thin. I got a large, and the large looks more like a medium. We'll have to see if it fits okay. It's got a contoured pouch. I wouldn't call it bulge. And it's the back style that I like, that it's kind of a traditional thong tee-back. And I just saw that I don't recall it having a heart on the back when I ordered it, but it looks like it does. It looks like it's just a sticker. So double lined in the pouch, pretty thick, and then it kind of seems like it transitions to a thinner set of material up top here. Not bad. Large. And okay, so that's what that is. It's a little expensive. I would call it upper end of the mid-range pricing, if that makes any sense. But it was a kind of a lot, and maybe the extra set of fabric explains a little bit of it. But I had to pull back on what I wanted to buy because it was kind of expensive. I didn't get too many items. So this is a swimsuit. Went basic black again. Contoured pouch. It looks like a pretty big pouch. About 1 inch sides. And a devil heart. Okay. It's funny, I don't remember these in the pictures at all. So I like it. What appealed to me about this brand is they had several thong styles, and they had different thong cuts. Some styles that you don't normally see, and that's what I like to see. I want to buy something that is unique. So swimsuit, no drawstring, quick drying fabric, large. It doesn't say the fabric on it. It's double layered in the pouch. I tried to get these on. I tried to receive these before I went on vacation, but it took a long time, like 3 or 4 weeks, to receive these. So didn't quite make it. And the other thing that I liked about this brand is that they have several matching tops. So gray top, long sleeve, half shirt top that matches the gray thong that I got. brand. It does look pretty small. Kavwear again. Does it have... I'm pretty certain I got the large. I don't see the tag in there at all. It's got a Cav logo. Not sure if that's front or back. Probably it's front. So matching top. And they had all kinds of different colors. It is thicker than what I expected. I expected like super thin t-shirt fabric, cheap t-shirt. This, it's a little bit more dense, which is, I guess, good. I could have bought several other colors, some other styles, but like I said, this was approaching $200 just for the 3 items. So, approaching, not quite, but pricing, it was an issue for me on this one. I typically don't talk about price too much in my videos, but this one, it's noteworthy. And like a personal card, printed card from the owner. It's in Spanish. And that's it. So, out of the box, initial impressions. Sizing looks a little aggressive on the large. Could be a little tight. Quality looks very good as far as the density of the fabrics. I like that they don't give you a bunch of plastic bags for no reason. You just get the one. Shipping did take a while, and then the pricing issue. So this was an experimental purchase. We'll see how it is, but if you do follow my videos, you'll know that I think more men's brands should do the matching top and bottoms. I think that's a cool thing. Why not? It's fun. So let's get these things tried on. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. And YouTube's not very friendly with this style of content, so I would appreciate it if you can go check out my fan sites. Links in the video description and my profile sites to see more of the try-on. That really supports. That's really the only thing that's supporting this channel anymore, and my purchases. This was purchased by myself with my own money. So do please help support the channel. Thanks. Started with the swimsuit, nice and black. It is tight and unlikely to come off. It is not uncomfortable, but it is certainly an aggressive large. Not bad from the front. Spinning around. What do you think? I like it. Not sure I like the logo thing, but it's alright. This is one I would probably work out in as well. What does it look like? It cranked. Never quite looks right when you crank it. Alright guys, not bad, not bad. Let's try on the gray tag off. These are very comfortable. A bit lower cut. these daily if needed. I do like the low cut. Comfortable pouch. Let's try on the top. Now, I buy these a lot and don't quite have the body for it. I keep buying them. It's actually more hot than what I expected. Okay. Arm size is good. Got a big shoulder, so the shoulders are barely fitting in. I like it. You know why? So why the long sleeves? Well, if you're out hiking around and you're in the sun protection is actually not bad, which is what I would use it for. But then the half shirt, I want to be able to kind of show off the thong and get fun tan lights. But if you wear a longer normal shirt, it just looks like you're wearing no pants. Crank up the sleeves. I wish the shoulders were a bit more roomy. Got some pretty big shoulders. Maybe there's an extra large in shirt. It's very tight, not uncomfortable. So, what do I think? It's summer. It's like 100 degrees right now, and the shirt is hot. It's much more dense. The material is thick, like I mentioned. I would love a bunch of other colors. It's a bit too expensive for me to get other styles, especially since YouTube's not paying for my videos anymore, monetizing them. I think it's like, if you want a matching set, this is a good brand to try out. I think that they deserve to be in the rankings of men's brands. I think if that you're chasing like an extra large size, double check the sizing, because if you were to get a large, might be a bit too tight. This is much more comfortable than the swimsuit, but the swimsuit does need to be a bit more tight so it doesn't fly off if you really wear it. They had other thong styles like G-strings, different cuts in the back. I'd love to try them, but might have to save up a bit more. Let me know what you think. Is it worth it? Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Please do support the channel on my fan sites. Everything was purchased with my own money. No sponsorship. So your contribution to those sites, checking them out, it actually does keep me going. Thanks again.